Hey, we got a small boomstick to show you today. No marking on the box, but this is the aluminium version. All aluminium. I know there's another one from Cybergun, I think, with the plastic barrel. This is all metal except the handle. I have been using this for some time now. It's super fun to shoot with. If you use target grenades, you got a very good kick out of it. And I really love this toy. I have replaced this spring. I think the spring was a little weak. This is a spring from a pencil. So it's very easy to change. Smoothbore barrel, aluminium top, aluminium rails, aluminium at all. And the finish is nice, I think. For the price tag is very nice, because this one is under 100 euros. So it's easy to get and fun to shoot. But we're gonna shoot in another video. And yeah, what can I say? I'm satisfied. The finish is good. You got a very nice product. The corners is a little bit sharp, so I have blunted some of them because it's very sharp. But that's totally fine, I think. For the price tag, you cannot expect them to take down the sharp corners. The safety is what we call in Denmark a town in Russia, because the safety do not work. But I think you can fix it if you open this one up. I have not have the time, and I do not want to spend the time on doing that, because I do not need safety. If you have to use it, it shall be easy to use, I think. So yeah, Boomstik from some company. In a later video, I think I will replace the handle, so I got a gun, like something like a Hellboy gun or something like that. But for now, it's a Boomstik. You have seen in a couple of movies, and now I got it. That was all for now. Bye bye from Denmark.